So using shapes, what you can also do is make simple flowcharts and animate them using Google Vids. So for that, I'm just going to go around over here onto shapes, let's say for example, and I'm going to go ahead and bring in a shape. Let's say what I want to do is make a flowchart of a coffee making process. So to do that, I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and use a shape right here and say coffee making process right here, just like this. I'm going to press Ctrl B to bold it out right here, and then I'm going to go ahead right here and choose, let's say for example, right here, I'm just going to go around over here and choose a particular color, background color right here, and choose the text color right here as bright right here, just like this. So this is what I have. So now for the coffee making process, I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say I'm going to say boil water right here, just like this. And I'm going to copy and paste this right here and add in another process. So I'm just going to say add coffee powder, let's say for example powder right here, just like this. So I'm just going to make a guideline right here, add coffee powder. Then I'm going to go ahead right here, just like this, and let's say for example pour hot water right here is another process right here, just like this. So let's just go ahead and keep it out right here, just like that right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and then hold Control and click and drag to create a copy. And then around over here, I'm going to say stir well right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, click and drag this, and I'm going to go ahead and say serve and enjoy right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So this is what I have right here, a process, a full process right here, just like this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and distribute it together. So let's just go ahead and distribute it. Let's just press Ctrl Z. I'm going to go ahead and align this to the top first right here. And for this one, for serve and enjoy, I'm just going to go ahead and align this to the top as well. And then I'm going to keep it right around over here. So now I'm going to go ahead and select this, and then I'm going to go around over here and distribute it horizontally, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose interesting colors. Let's say for example, I'm going to choose blue for boiling water. So let's just go ahead and choose light blue for this one. For coffee powder, let's just go ahead and add in the light brown. And then around over here, hot water, I'm just going to go ahead and select another color right here. And for stir well, let me just select green, and serve and enjoy, let's just select yellow. So this is what I have right here, just like this. So let's just select the yellow for this. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in some lines to it. So I'm just going to click and drag and draw out line right here, just like this, as you can see. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw out line around over here as well. So let's say for example, this is the line. So I can go ahead and then click and drag this right here to make it a different line, and then click and drag this out as well. So you can see that these are the shapes, and if I were to move it right here, it's actually connected out to the shape right here. So let me just go ahead and pull this out around over here, just like this as well. And this is what you have. So now what you can simply do is, let's say for example, add an animation to make it interesting. So I'm just going to go around over here. So let's just go ahead and click and drag this. And then I'm just going to go around and select all. And then I'm going to go around over here onto animation. And let's just go around over here. And you can see that this is quite interesting as I select different animations as I need. So there's a slide right here, as you can see right here. There's fade, as you can see right here. There's spin, there's elastic slide, and so forth. So you can go ahead and see that there's different things that you can bring in. So let's just go ahead onto breathe, and then around over here onto these lines, let's just add in a different animation for it. So I'm just going to go around and then add in a bit of a fade right here for that, which takes a bit of time right here. So that is what you have, as you can see, and there's the animation. You can even go ahead and then change around let's say the timing right here. Let's say the line appears a bit later, and then you can see that these are what I have right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, boil water comes first, and then let's say for example, add coffee comes a bit later, pour hot water right here comes a bit later and so forth. So I can go ahead and then do this out as well. So as I click on this, you can see that the highlights are different. So I can just go around over here, right here, click on it, and then you get the highlights right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and click, you can see that these are the highlights. Press the play button and you can see that there's a bit of an animation going on just like that. So that is how you can simply go ahead and then utilize shapes in Google Vids in order to build diagrams or flowcharts as you need, just like that. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.